Hello guys, I just bought this universal caliper windbag kit from internet. I need to replace the brakes on my Volkswagen Golf car and this tool will gonna help me to do this. Why I need this tool? Especially for the rear brakes, to press in the brake cylinder into the brake caliper to have it in the initial position. You will gonna ask why I need a special tool for this? Well, for the rear brakes on the vehicles with disc brake calipers and an integrated parking brake unit, the brake cylinder needs to be rotated while it's pressed in, and this tool will help a lot. Before opening this to show you what's inside, let me remove this plastic bag and put some gloves. Okay, so here it is. We have a nice suitcase. It's made from cheap plastic, but hard enough to keep everything inside. Here we have GEKO G02535, disc brake pad and caliper toolkit in many languages. It's made in Poland and comes with the suitcase on red or black. Let's open it. Here we have two clips. Here we go. Warranty card. On the other side we have some instructions. Here are some pictures with the tool in action. Let's see the tool. A lot of lubricant. Here we have the main tool, the push screw and this fixing plate, and this is adapter number 6. This I will use for my Volkswagen Golf car. Here we have a magnet. It's feel very well in hand. Okay, so let's take this adapter number 6. You see the magnet, it's strong enough to keep the adapter fixed. I will take the fixing plate and show you how to mount it. The adapter will go to the cylinder head and the fixing plate will go to the other side of the brake caliper. Here we have some adapters for other cars. The tool in this setup is for a Volkswagen Golf car from 2004. Adapter E is for Cefrio Nissan and Maxima. Adapter number 8 is for General Motors. Adapter number 9 for General Motors, Chevelle, Cadillac, Eldorado. Adapter number 0, the same. Adapter number 4 for Alfa Romeo 164 2.0 liters, Fiat, and so on. Adapter number 7 for some Audi cars, Ford, Honda, Nissan, and some Volkswagen cars. Honestly, I see no difference between adapter number 6 and adapter number 7. If you see any difference, please let it in a comment. Adapter number 3 is for some Alfa Romeo cars, Audi, BMW, some Ford cars, Jaguar. I will use this adapter also for the front brakes on my Volkswagen Golf car. Adapter number 2 is for Citroën XM, Santia and others. And tool number 5. This one you will not gonna use with the main tool. You can use this adapter with a ratchet. It's a cheap tool, but looks like it's made with very good materials, with strong materials. Before buying this tool, you have to check your braking system to see what you have exactly on your car. And you have to search on the internet for the tool. You will find the description of the tool with each adapter. To see this tool in action, please check my other videos.